The railing has long been not only an element of securing a balcony or terrace. With a good fit, it becomes the main decoration of a modern building. The Rapdach company has been helping to choose a strong, stable, and modern construction for years. In a few simple steps, you will get your perfectly matched balustrade. Give us the size, shape, and type of balustrade you're interested. Based on this data, we will prepare an offer. To start the process, make a 30% down payment. Then we will make a graphic design and visualizations for you. After reviewing the project, you send us the consents or changes. Next, we start the production of the order. It takes 2 to 4 weeks, or up to 6 weeks in case of an order with assembly. Finally, the logistics department contacts you to arrange a delivery or assembly date. You can enjoy now your perfect balustrade.